All right, thank you, Lisa. On the Health Watch tonight, pregnant women may need to think twice before taking Tylenol. A new study from Johns Hopkins found taking acetaminophen late in pregnancy may be associated with a higher risk of having a child with autism or ADHD. Dr. Malika Marshall is here tonight. Doctor, it isn't the first study to raise concerns like this.
No, but again, I don't think people should be alarmed. It's just something to be aware of.
Okay.
And previous studies really relied on a woman's recall of when she took Tylenol. This study actually looked at acetaminophen metabolites or breakdown products in cord blood to give them a sense as to how much Tylenol or when newborns were exposed. So they found that newborns who were exposed to the highest levels in days before their birth were about 3 times more likely to develop ADHD and autism compared to newborns that were exposed to the least amount of Tylenol. Now, it's not clear exactly for how long the women took the Tylenol, during what time of pregnancy they took it, or why they were taking it. So more research needs to be done. And this doesn't mean that pregnant women need to avoid it altogether, but they should talk to their doctors. And if they do need to take it at the lowest effective dose. And just don't take it willy-nilly just because you can.
I like the fact that you tell people not to panic, but that seems pretty alarming.
It's not alarming.
Okay.
People should not be alarmed.
All right. This is the perfect health story for Halloween, inspired by the sticky substance that helps spiders catch their prey. Researchers at MIT developed a super strong surgical tape, and this is pretty cool.
This is really cool. As you can imagine, during surgery, it can be really hard to get wet tissues to stick together.
Okay.
And so surgeons often use sutures, but that can cause damage to delicate tissues, and it can cause scarring and infection and pain. There's also surgical glue, but it's hard to get wet tissues to stick together with glue, and it takes minutes to adhere. So looking at the sticky material that spiders use to absorb water from their prey, like insects, engineers at MIT developed a double-sided tape that absorbs water from wet tissues and binds them within 5 seconds. And it eventually will dissolve in the body days or weeks later. And they're thinking that one day it might actually replace sutures to heal wounds and seal incisions inside your body, in your organs, and actually also might be able to be used to get implantable devices to stick to organs in your body, like your heart.
They need a dispenser that attaches to the inside of the wrist so that doctors can shoot it like Spider-Man.
Like Spider-Man.
Right?
Well, no, that might be a little messy. They need to be a little bit more precise than that,
But
David.
it would be cool.
It would be cool, for Halloween anyway.
Dr. Malika, thank you so much. Lisa?